那是到小白房。
Must find. Xiaobei's obtained a lot of evidence of crime. Chase separately. Miss J.
Have you regret?
I never regret what I have done.
Don't you really have no regrets? If you don't indulge your son, will there be the situation today?
It's precisely because of this. Everything I do is for Qiayuan.
Since you know, it's better to confess it yourself. It will be good for you and your son. Just treat it as accumulating some virtue for your son.
If you tell me truth, we can be punished with a lighter punishment.
Want me to confess? Why not, Vita? Can still keep a good reputation.